Hey, did you know that Suzuki Jimny 2013 to 2016 does not include AC filters? It has an empty slot where you can insert an AC filter. So I decided to install it, and it is not that difficult. Open the glove compartment and slowly squeeze inward and push out the stoppers at the backside corner of the compartment. As it pops out, you can now easily unhook and remove the compartment. Inside the dashboard, you can find a snap lock located near the left side of the compartment. Use something blunt to snap out the lock. Here I used a screwdriver. As you open the slot, you can see that there is no AC filter installed. So I searched online AC cabin filter for Suzuki Jimny 2013 to 2016. This costs around $11 or 600 pesos. Well, I suggest you find a hard type of filter unlike this one. But for the purpose of this video, this one is perfect. Slip into the slot upwards, slowly until the bottom levels to the lid or bottom of the slot. Almost done. Make sure to return the cover and compartment properly. Hook in first the bottom. Then slowly squeeze in the compartment as it may be a little tight to snug in. Done. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.